Assalamu alaikum class 5. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Okay, today I'm going to give you a revision of the exercise 5A. First of all, we'll go through of this exercise, then I'll give you the test in the group. You will do it and send it on my personal number with your name. Okay. Now let's have a look on the exercise 5A. These are the blanks. Okay, the very first blank, they are talking about kilometer into the meter. We have to convert the kilometer into the meter. What we are doing, we are converting the when we are converting the kilometer into the meter, we are just multiplying it with 1000. Okay, we are multiplying 7 with 1000, we get the answer 7000. Three zeros will come over here. Okay, when we are talking about this second blank, we have also done on the in the class, and I told you to solve all the board work on your books. Take it with a pencil. You have already done it, I know, but we are having a revision over here. So okay, sorry for that disturbance. Okay, look at this one: 23 meter plus 13 meter and 25 centimeter. This is 23 meter plus 13 meter, 25 centimeter. We are converting this into the centimeter. Now what we'll do, when we are converting the meter into the centimeter, we are multiplying with 100. Okay, you are multiplying 23 with 100, you get 2300. And 20 this is 13. When we're multiplying with 13 with the 100, we get 1300. That is 25. You'll write 25 over here. When you solve all this, okay, you get the answer, this one. Okay, on the 2300 you write 2300, 1300 1300 over here. That is 25. You'll write 25 here. When you add them, you got the answer, this one. Okay, so just like this you have to convert, just like look at this question, that fourth blank: meter into the kilometer. You are, when you are converting meter into the kilometer, this one blank is kilometer into the meter, you are multiplying with 1000. When you are converting meter into the kilometer, opposite, then you are dividing with 1000 and you'll get this one answer. Okay, so same like that, there are some true false, okay, and there are some MCQs. These are the length. ठीक है, length of the room, it should always be in meter. Home to market distance, ठीक है, it is always in kilometer. Smaller भी हो सकता है, greater भी हो सकता है. टूथपेस्ट ट्यूब, जो हमारी टूथपेस्ट होती है उसकी बहुत स्मॉल लेंथ होती है, इट विल बी इन सेंटीमीटर. आप स्केल से इसको मेजर कर सकते हैं और स्केल की मेजरमेंट सेंटीमीटर में होती है. लेंथ ऑफ योर कार, इट विल बी इन मीटर. ठीक है ना. सो it is easy for you to remember all this. Now come on the question number 6. ठीक है, question number 6 and question number 7 will have a solution over here. Question number 6 and 7 I have solved for you on the copy. So now you can see how it is solved. Okay, the question number 6 has the first part, that is 500 centimeters. Whenever you are converting the centimeter into the millimeter, you always multiplying the number into the 10. Okay, I have written over here. You can take a screenshot also, or I'll send this into the group as well. Centimeter to millimeter, you are multiplying with 100. You don't do any classwork or homework, you just have to only do the test. Okay, but I am doing all this video, I'm making all this video for you to revise it. Okay, so it will be a revision for you, as we do the revision in the class before the test. That is a simple revision. Okay, if you want to still take a screenshot, if you want to take the write down all these things on your book, you can write. Okay, centimeter into the millimeter, you are converting, when then you have to multiply with 10. Here 500, you have converting into the millimeter, you are multiplying 500 with 10. One more zero will come here in the answer, just this much. Look at this one: whenever you are multiplying centimeter into the meter, you are dividing this into the 100. Look at this one: whenever you are, okay, that will be 100. Okay, dividing with 100. Okay, 40 centimeter, whenever you are converting the 40 into the meter, then 40 को divide करेंगे हम 100 से, then you got 4 by 10, and 4 by 10 means 0.4 meter. This is the answer. 750 millimeter, whenever you are converting the millimeter into the centimeter, you are doing this one. Okay, this is 750 and you will write over here 10. 0 cut down, you'll got the answer 750. You write over here centimeter. Why? Because you are converting in centimeter, so they should be right over here centimeter. Okay, look at this one: 900 meter. In this term you have to change into the kilometer. So you are dividing with 1000. 900 over here, 1000 will be down. ठीक है, two zeros will cut with this two zero. 9 by 10, 9 by 10 meaning you got the answer 0.9. Okay, now we have solved all the question number 6 4 parts. Now I'm going to give you a review about question number 7 A and B part. The rest of the parts are same. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. This is the first part. 4.25 kilometer minus 2.74 kilometer. We have to subtract it. I have done the subtraction over it. It is a simple subtraction. You don't need to be worried about it. It is a simple subtraction. I will got the answer 1.47 kilometer. Now they are have given another blank. They have asked another blank in which we have to convert kilometer into the meter. When we are converting kilometer into the meter, we have to divide with 100. So I'm dividing with 100 and I'll get the answer 1470 meter. Now this one question, it is 65 minus meter minus 47 meter. I'll got the answer 14 meter. It is your first blank. Now the second blank they are talking about, you have to convert meter into the centimeter. What you'll do, meter into the centimeter, you'll multiply with 100. 18 को 100 से multiply किया, you get 1800 centimeter. You will solve all these question number 7 parts with this method. ठीक है ना? Now prepare your pages for the test. You can do the test at the back of your copies. If you want to do it on the sheet, do it. Okay, I'll give you the time, limited time. You have to solve your test in that limited time and send it on my personal number with your names. Only those students will get the marks and only those student tests will be checked on Monday who will send me their test on my personal number with the with their name. ठीक है ना? Okay, good luck. Allah Hafiz everybody.